If you are getting a P0700 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. It indicates a malfunction in the transmission control system. The transmission control module detects this issue and sends it to the engine control module. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Faulty shift solenoids. Malfunctioning TCM. Valve body issues. Engine coolant sensor malfunction. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the transmission control module. The transmission control module can often be found below the cover at the back of the transmission case. It should be just below the engine control module's position. Visually check the transmission control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the transmission control module. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0700 error code. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Honda, Nissan, Hyundai, Toyota, and Chrysler. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.